Do you manage thousands of doors, luxury properties, or vibrant HOA communities? Meet ViziSmart, your concierge-style self-service maintenance platform that delivers true automation and real cost savings. Cut your maintenance costs by up to 30% without sacrificing quality or control. Vizi empowers teams with self-service ticket resolution, troubleshooting, and resolving up to 40% of maintenance issues without involving a maintenance professional. These savings grow over time as Vizi learns from every interaction. With a custom-trained knowledge base, Vizi becomes your 24/7 digital employee, answering questions, resolving tickets, and sharing expertise across your organization, reducing reliance on managers and slashing resolution times. Vizi schedules and reschedules, eliminating back and forth and reducing missed appointments by over 60%. Struggling with inspections and make-ready? Tenants, managers, and homeowners can record a quick video of the issue. Vizi will analyze and create a ticket, giving vendors everything they need up front. That means fewer site visits, better prepared technicians, and even more savings. Real-time logs, instant reports, and compliance-ready data ensure nothing falls through the cracks. So how do you get started? Upload a simple Excel sheet, and your entire portfolio is online and ready to go in minutes. ViziSmart isn't just smart. It's how smart companies are transforming maintenance.